This is a free Elementor plugin, yet all the widgets and features are enabled. Everything is unlocked in free version of Elementor. Welcome to Webstyle Press. The thing I just saw blew my mind. I had to stitch it together to get back in order to tell you this. I mean, people are doing crazy things, and definitely AI is enabling them. I just tried an open source free plugin that unlocked Elementor Pro version for free. Isn't it crazy? Elementor Pro costs money, as you can see here. It's a very popular WordPress page builder that makes making websites easy in WordPress. What would you do with it if you get it for free? So, here is a page. I will click Edit with Elementor button in order to edit it in Elementor. I have free Elementor installed. Let's add a grid. And here these are layout options and these are basic options. Basic are free and available. But here we have pro options, menu, search, posts, form, everything. If I search carousel, you see image carousel is there. It's free. All the other good carousels are logged, like loop carousel, carousel, media carousel, testimonial carousel. So many useful features in Elementor come in pro version. But now look at this. In Google, type Pro Elements, search Pro Elements, and this website will appear. proelements.org. It says Pro Elements, free WordPress plugin that enables pro features in the Elementor page builder with automatic updates. So download it and then go to plugins page, click add a new plugin, click upload, choose file, install, and activate. And that's it. Pro Elements. It's got no settings. Just install it. Alright. Plugin activated. Now go back to the page and reload it. And here are layout widgets, basic widgets, and these are the pro widgets, all unlocked. Unbelievable. Everything unlocked. If I search carousel, you see every carousel widget is unlocked. Let's add something here. Slides. It is working. And let's add something here. Reviews. And here they are. It is working. Isn't it amazing? This is strange though. Elementor Free turned into Elementor Pro for free. So what is this plugin? Pro Elements. About. Pro Elements is a derivative work from the Elementor Pro WordPress plugin by Elementor Ltd. Like the original, it is licensed under the GNU General Public License version 3, but unlike the original, it is 100% free and does not require the activation to use it. You are free to use, modify, and redistribute it. In other words, you are free to use the essential freedoms granted under the terms of GPL v3 license. What is included? Automatic updates, all pro widgets, theme builder with display conditions, pop-up builder, form builder with multi-step forms, WooCommerce builder, marketing tools integration, full site editor, global widget, motion effects, scrolling and mouse effects, global custom CSS, custom fonts with typekit integration, dynamic colors and content, role manager, and much more. What is not included? Templates and template kits and support. This plugin is distributed in the hope that it will be useful, but without any warranty, without even the implied warranty of merchantability or fitness for a particular purpose. Okay, this plugin is on GitHub. This plugin enables GPL features of Elementor Pro, widgets, theme builder, dynamic colors, and content, forms and pop-up builder, and more. The code in this folder is a derivative work of the code from the Elementor Pro by Elementor, which is licensed under GPL v3. This code therefore is also licensed under the terms of GNU Public License version 3. This program is a free software. You can redistribute it and or modify it under the terms of the GNU General Public License, published by the Free Software Foundation. Okay, same thing. But here it is. It allows you to use Elementor Pro for free. Now, I don't know if it's legal or not. I cannot suggest you to use it in production websites. But let me know, what do you think about it? Okay, give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.